Hello my friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for another awesome Paracord project. For today's project we're going to use this gold Paracord Type I and this blue also Type I. The full tutorial for this 6-strand bracelet core you will have in the top right corner information cards and also down below in the description box of this video. There you can find the tutorial for this beautiful Paracord bracelet I am wearing today. So make sure to check the information cards and the description box down below. So that being said, we're gonna insert our gold paracord into the bracelet core. So I'm gonna detach it from the jig, and here where I melted the end of a core strand, I will pass the feed through the cowl hitches, left and right one, and then to the side like this. Now we're gonna return it. So when we created our bracelet core and working ends, we're gonna start. Here you need to decide which pattern will you use. The two blue strands on top of the outer strand and the gold strand on top of the center strand, or opposite. I'm gonna use the blue strand on top of the outer strands and under the center strands. So from here I'm gonna take the blue and pass it from the top into the gap between first two strands and the center two strands, and then I'm gonna return it from the back through the gap like so. From here I'm gonna take the gold one and I'm gonna pass it on top of the blue strand, then under the first two core strands on the right side, and from the back in the gap between first two strands and the second two strands or the middle strands. I'm gonna pull it. From here we're gonna take our gold and pass it from the top into the gap, and then from the back through the loop on the left side. Now from here we're gonna take our gold strand, pass it under the first two strands of a blue, on top of the middle two strands, and from the top into the gap between the middle two strands and the two strands on the right side. Now we're gonna take the blue, place it under the gold, then from the top into the gap between first two strands and the center strands, and we're gonna return it from the back through the gap between center strands and the two strands on the left side, and from the top into the loop on the left. So here we are, we finished our today's project. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon. Bye!